All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to work with some dotted lines. Similar to making dash lines, but there's some tricks. So I'm going to draw this box out here. I have it on black. So if you had it, you might have drawn it and it looked like this. So we're just going to switch the stroke over here on the left to black, and I'm just going to nix the fill there. Now we have just an outline. Going to go to Window, pull down to Stroke. Now we got our little stroke dialog here. It's typical guy. You can make it thicker. What we're going to do here, show options in that little flyout. Now we're going to go to dash line. There's no dotted line, but we're going to make a dotted line. So right now it's got some 57.18 point, and the gap here is 32. So to make that easier to look at, let's just go 50 and 30. And then you have a corner too. So see how this is really kind of like not really aligned well with the corners. So you can select that and corner it like that. Now it's got even corners everywhere. See that? That's a good one. And then you have our end caps. We can make these round. But what happens here is if we go over here and we just make the dash 0, well, it just puts those two little round end caps. So you got to have this on round end cap and a 0 dash. And now it's got basically two end caps. So then you can increase the weight, right? And then you can make this gap bigger. 40, even maybe a little bit bigger. I'm sorry, that was the wrong way. 50. And then this works as well. So the corners, see, so this is just evenly, this is just what it is. The path starts here, it comes around, so that it's just putting them perfectly 0 and 50. But if you want them more spaced out, then you go like this. And then see, you've got the perfect corner. See all that? And this works with basically any kind of stroke. So I'm just going to draw with a pen tool real quick. I just drew another one, so it works with this the same same deal. Let's just do a circle. So yeah, and you can make the weight bigger, smaller. So the big trick is a 0 point dash and then your gap. So that's how you do that. I hope that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.